Hi everyone, this is Eric with TailoredTrader.com. Today is Tuesday, June 27th, about 12:41 p.m. Eastern Standard. Doing a video from today's major action. We had fundamental news mixed with technical analysis breaks. So it ended up being a major day in the markets in currency pairs. And also this is kind of a follow-up video from yesterday's video that I posted. As some of the plays kind of played out. Got some trades, missed some trades, etc. So diving right in, Euro USD. So I mentioned yesterday on the video that we had a weekly doji close, and it's about the 50% mark. We had some fundamental news happen overnight during the London session, and obviously we broke out to the upside. So without going into too many detail, because obviously the trade was long, I could just get straight to the point and show you exactly where I was entering my longs via these blue buy arrows here. And just basically I woke up I opened the room 6 a.m. So as you can see, took it right off the first basing that I had, and the rest is pretty much history, as we know, right? So these are the sell to exits, taking profits and some targets. Just ended up taking my last target up here at the 1328, even added in down here at the 1275 here area. So of course the trade was long. Here's the daily chart to the right, 30-minute chart to the left. And you can see that I didn't catch anything overnight. My day trading room opens up 6 a.m. and I just hopped on board for that kind of easy long euro trade, breaking out of a weekly high from this 50% mark, and also of course breaking out of that low range. Okay, next trade up I have, or next pair I should say, USD JPY. And again, if you want my charts load, if you saw the video from yesterday, pretty much I accumulated from last week, even accumulated yesterday being Monday on the 26th, as you can see bottom left. I have those entry orders in, and I think I even took some profits during that video and put an order out. But basically, it's the same case. The USD JPY breaking out a weekly. I kind of did some analysis on this yesterday, and overnight we just basically came right back down and tested the same exact price point in which I entered yesterday. I missed the add-in at 3 a.m., but of course held this trade and have, as you can see, basically capitalized on this breakout, even added in today in my room at 1189, 1190-ish. And again, the rest is history, just taking profit, selling out of this order from my longs accumulations down here at the average fill price of 1139s, as you can see down here on the USD JPY. So basically major day in the market, and taking profits on these orders here. And that's the USD JPY. I will go to the Euro Yen, as I missed a order to get long here by literally micro pips. So I'll bring this chart up while my charts load to the right here. I had these orders in yesterday. I missed them yesterday. I didn't modify them overnight. It came back down, and literally I have my order at 75.2, and it came down and it missed me by a couple micro pips. Again, Oanda charting shows you when and the time that you place these orders, and I even have these orders in on yesterday's YouTube video, but unfortunately I missed that by a micro pip. I didn't add in, which of course is a mistake here. I could have easily bought into this along with the Euro USD, but I just didn't. I was in the USD JPY, and again, kind of emotional not getting into this order, but again, the market just took off on me. Yesterday I did say that the long was clearly there set up, and I was playing this weekly retest area of 124.71, in which I placed my orders at 124.75, missed that by a couple pips, just like I mentioned there, or a micro pip, and again, just missed out on that trade here, as it was breaking the weekly and even monthly zones that I have mapped out, going up all the way up. So it's just a huge day in the Euro Yen, in the Yen pairs specifically, and of course the Euro USD. So this was kind of like a perfect storm with the Euro strength and the Yen weakness. This is why you have this Euro Yen explosion out. And I even had a target yesterday from anybody who was catching along from the video at 125 weekly target 125.31. And as you can see, it just completely blew that out of the water. So that's that. So I really don't have much to say being on board, other than I just kind of was a little bit too right on the entry and not monitoring the orders, because as I missed that by a micro pip. Moving on to the GBP USD, I do have an order out, or orders in. I am actively shorting this market at the moment. Again, so you can refer to yesterday's video. I've been kind of looking at this monthly retest level at the 127.69. Again, 1.2769 represented by this orange line here. And we're coming into that zone at the moment. So let me just show you guys that. And I shorted at the 66, and I just added another short at the 27.85. Stops are going to be above this weekly high. I'll monitor that overnight as well. Trying to catch a GBP USD short trade, as you can see here. So I'll probably update that maybe tomorrow. But at the end of the, again, it's about 12:47 Eastern. I just closed my room up probably about 30 minutes ago. And again, if I could just show you kind of the trades that I'm in here. Well, actually, just a recap, I could just do it. These are the kind of the pairs that I day trade in the room. Pound actively in, euro all out, catching that long there, as you can see here. From yesterday's technical analysis video. Sorry that I'm kind of all over the place here. So just closing this video up, caught the euro long, actively in short. We'll see what that plays out. Stay tuned on the YouTube video for the updates. And basically just taking profits and adding in a little bit. I missed the add-in, a beautiful add-in, almost the same exact setup as I did over here, but the only difference was it happened at 3 a.m. and I opened my room up at 6 a.m. So just added in here, but again, just went into profit-taking mode in the USDJPY, and I missed that by a micro pip, but no excuse. I had plenty of room to add in, but unfortunately, I just don't have a trade to show you, just being completely transparent in everything that I do. So that's that. Today is, again, Tuesday, the 27th of June. Eric here with TaylorTrader.com. I am offering a free trial for those interested in the free trial, and you could catch me in the day trading room. TaylorTrader.com. Trade safe.